Hello guys. Welcome to my educational channel. You are watching M.Shakeel Sahir. Today we are going to define simple harmonic motion. What are features of simple harmonic motion? Define vibration. Define time period. Define frequency. And define amplitude. आप लोगों से एक दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं और आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो हमारी हौसला अफजाई के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें ताकि हमारी हर आने वाली वीडियो आपको मिल सके। शुक्रिया। लेट्स स्टार्ट।
When an object oscillates about a fixed position, mean position, such that its acceleration is directly proportional to its displacement from the mean position and is always directed towards the mean position, its motion is called simple harmonic motion.
A body executing simple harmonic motion always vibrates about a fixed position.
Its velocity is maximum at the mean position and zero at the extreme positions. Feature of simple harmonic motion: its acceleration is always directed towards the mean position. The magnitude of acceleration is always directly proportional to its displacement from the mean position, i.e., acceleration will be zero at the mean position while it will be maximum at the extreme positions. One complete round trip of a vibrating body about its mean position is called one vibration. The time taken by a vibrating body to complete one vibration is called time period. The number of vibrations or cycles of a vibrating body in 1 second is called its frequency. It is reciprocal of time period, i.e., f equals 1 t. The maximum displacement of a vibrating body on either side from its mean position is called its amplitude.